Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a weekly cryptocurrency update. Of course, we're specifically going to be taking a look at the prices of some of our favorite cryptos in the past week. Now, in the past day, there was some big news surrounding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and all of our favorite cryptos. Essentially, there was a huge liquidation event where we saw billions of dollars worth of crypto liquidated in a very short period of time. So, I do want to discuss the implications of this on the market, where I see the market going in the future, and what's going to be happening. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, join the Discord, and remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Now, the first thing to actually talk about is to take a look at the prices. As we can see, Ethereum is down 4% on the day, Bitcoin is down 9% on the day, Ethereum is flat on the week, Bitcoin is down 10% on the week, and we can see a lot of the other altcoins have been hit a lot harder. Cardano is down 10% on the day, Polkadot is down 14% on the day, Avalanche is down 14% again, Polygon is down 16%, and Chainlink is down 11% on the day and 15% on the week. So we can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum have handled the crash the best, while the majority of other coins have been struggling quite a lot. Now, this brings me back to a video I did a couple of days ago. Essentially, a couple of days ago, I did a video where I was very bullish on Ethereum. I was talking about how Ethereum is extremely resilient right now. There's a lot of Ethereum locked up, and it has some huge upgrades coming forward. As a direct result, Ethereum is outperforming the rest of the markets absolutely massively. We can very clearly see this playing out today. Essentially, Ethereum dipped 4% on the day, and Bitcoin dipped 9% on the day. This is amazing because generally when we have these big falls, Bitcoin dips a lot less than Ethereum. However, right now Ethereum is very resilient against Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, we can see that it is basically at its local highs. It has just broken its old high that was set back in May. So the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio started to skyrocket during a drop, which is very unusual, and it does make me quite bullish on ETH. Of course, we do know that a couple of months ago, Ethereum was roughly $400 billion and Bitcoin was well over $1 trillion. However, the market caps seem to be closing in, and I would say that a 2022 flip of Ethereum and Bitcoin could be possible. Of course, it's very difficult to predict when Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. However, if we do see it in 2022, that would make me quite excited. Of course, that is just some speculation, and I don't actually know if this will happen whatsoever. As we can see, one of our other favorite coins, Chainlink, has not handled this dip that well. Chainlink is down 12% on the day and 15% on the week. Now, I remember when I was looking at crypto.com last night to actually buy some more Chainlink, Chainlink was down roughly 30% in one day from high to low. So Chainlink got absolutely crushed during this dip. Of course, I'm a long-term investor in Chainlink and I wasn't too worried about this. When I see Chainlink get under $25, that's what makes me want to buy. So I did actually buy quite a lot of Chainlink during this dip and not so much Ethereum, as I thought Chainlink was on a lot more of a sale. Of course, Chainlink being in the $20 range is very low, and Chainlink hasn't even spent too much time there in the past few months, so it does seem like it's hitting its local lows. Of course, we will need to wait and see if this actually happens or if this plays out. Regardless, when I'm buying Chainlink, I do like to wait until it's under $25 and the reason for this is because the past couple of months, Chainlink has just been bouncing around. We haven't seen a clear breakout yet, and I'll probably just continue to buy on the dips. It also makes you feel a little bit less bad than buying Chainlink at $35 and watching it dip back down. So that's essentially my opinion on Chainlink. However, obviously this isn't financial advice, and in the short term, prices are very difficult to actually pick. Now, this brings me to a tweet that I just did. A lot of people in the Chainlink community are a little bit disappointed with the price action. Of Of course, I can understand this. Now, Chainlink isn't really up against most of the other cryptos and against the rest of the market. Of course, if you're buying on the dips, it probably is up against the US dollar. However, when we're comparing against ETH, Bitcoin, and some other cryptos, it isn't looking that good. Of course, in my opinion, the best way to actually handle this is to diversify a little bit into some of your favorite smart contract plays. I do like to hold a few just to make sure that when one is pumping and another is not, at least I am gaining a bit of ground. Of course, this is happening right now with Ethereum. Regardless, what I responded to this person with is I said, if we see a smart contract orientated future, there'll be hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of assets coming on chain, millions of individuals paying link tokens to node operators, and the fundamental value should increase over time. Of course, this means the price actually has to go up if more and more link needs to be bought in order to pay for Chainlink services. So, this was essentially my tweet. Now, if you do see a smart contract orientated future, Link is probably going to win. Of course, you are betting on a smart contract orientated future. If smart contracts don't take off, well then Chainlink will probably go down in value substantially. However, I don't think that this is going to be the case, and I am very confident in smart contracts myself. Regardless, if we take a look at some of the macro prices, this dip really doesn't look that bad. The first crypto to actually look at is Ethereum. And as we can see, Ethereum went down to the trusty bull market support band, it bounced off the bull market support band, and this does look very healthy. Ethereum's been slowly rolling up, going down to the bull market support band, and continuing on up. I generally don't get that worried about these liquidation events, because if you look at the macro chart of Ethereum and you actually zoom out, it looks very good, and it looks very relaxing, which is something that I do like to see. Of course, if you look at the macro chart with Chainlink as well, it does look fine. Chainlink does tend to trend up. So, as we can see, Chainlink seems to have broken below the bull market support band, however we will need to wait for this. The worst case scenario for Chainlink is it goes back down to the $13 range, it has a double bottom, and then it goes back up. Of course, this is a very real possibility that could actually happen. We can see Chainlink just couldn't break above $40, so I wouldn't be shocked if this did happen. Of course, if Chainlink gets anywhere around $13, that's probably where I would be looking at it. Anyway, this isn't financial advice because I'm definitely not an expert at technical analysis and you should do your own research. So that's what I'm seeing in the markets right now. I'm not too worried about this liquidation event. We still are in a bull run and I am quite excited to see what will happen in the next couple of months. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching the video and also help me get to 1,000 subscribers as it would be much appreciated.